What time is it?
12. 12 noon.
12 noon. Here it's 7 o'clock.
Yes. So,
You're looking good.
he's going to the gym. He's going to the
That's
gym.
good for you. You're gonna build your muscles.
He got a new haircut also.
Haircut.
Nice haircut.
Wow, good looking, eh? Pogi. Or wapo? Guapo.
Julian, you can say it to
Kapitana. Apa si kagawan pala ko pala ko, baby? Kilala ka na ako,
Say
baby.
hi to Paul. Okay lang. Okay.